Hello everyone, today's topic is K-map. K-map, also known as Karnaug's map, it's a technique, and as per ISC syllabus, in theory paper out of 70 marks, 10 marks you will get from this K-map part. Part 2, question number 4, A and B. Each questions carry 5 marks. One belongs from SOP and another one belongs from POS. All we know, in Boolean algebra, two type of expressions are there, SOP and POS. This SOP expression or POS expression we can solve in different way. We can solve by using truth table, we can solve by using Boolean law, and another technique is here, which is K-map. Why K-map is so much useful? It's a very short technique. As example, I can say, all if a question is given like this, f, a, b, c, d, under the functions a, b, c, d are the variables, and we need to reduce this expression. What type of expression it is? This one is cardinal expression. What do you mean by this cardinal expression? If 4 variables are there, in Boolean algebra, according to these 4 variables, we'll get 16 different combinations. What are these 16 different combinations? 0 to 15, 0 to 15. 0, if we represent in a 4-bit manner, A0, B0, C0, D0, like this, we are able to represent 0 to 15 in binary bit. So if we represent any expression with the help of their position value, then it is called cardinality of an expression. Let me explain what is the meaning of this 0 here. 0 means A0, that means these positions, A0, B0, C0, D0. So this 0, what term it indicates? The term is indicated by this 0 is A complement, B complement, C complement, D complement, then plus, because SOP, sum of product. Variables are with bar or without bar in product form, then we have to add. What is the meaning of this 2? 2 means A0, this one, A0, B0, C1, D0. That means A complement, B complement, C, D complement, plus. Then 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1, A0, B0, C1, D1. That means A complement, B complement, C, D. By this way we have to, if we write the term of 6, 7, 8, 9, 14 and 15, then the length of the expression is addition of 9 terms. And now if I want to reduce this expression using truth table or Boolean law, just think the length of the solution. So K-map is a very easiest technique. We have to make a very close friendship with this K-map, and this one is the very easiest one. Only few steps and few things we need to remember. First things, in questions paper, will not get this truth table. No need to write down this part as well. Only you will get this type of questions, and we need to solve using K-map, and this symbol is indicate SOP. The summation symbols is known as SOP. No need to write this. What you will get in a questions paper, you will get a questions like this. Reduce it using K-map. So A, B, C, D first. If you see these boxes, 16 small boxes are there, which we have 4 row and 4 column. We need to give the identifications of this each room. Why 16 rooms? Because 4 variables. As per ISC syllabus, we have only 4 variables K-map. 3 variables also, but more than this it's not under the ISC syllabus. So A, B, C, D, 4 variables. 4 variables means 16 combinations. For these 16 combinations, we have these 16 boxes. Now we have to give the identifications of these boxes as well. So first, always follow left to right, A, B, C, D. Don't change the sequence of the variable. So A, B is representing the row and C, D is representing the column. Now give the identifications of each row and column. Each row and column is identified by this row is belongs to 0, 0. This one is 0, 1. This one is 1, 1. This one is 1, 0. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now one big question is rise here. 0, 0 means 0, 0, 1 means 1, 1, 1 means all we know as a binary number, it's 3 then 2. Why 3 first? Why 2? As per the rules of K-map, we have to give the identifications of this row and column as per gray code. If you remember the gray code, the gray code of 2 is 1, 1 and the gray code of 3 is 1, 0. This one is representing here. Again I repeat, the gray code of 3 is 1, 0 and the gray code of 2 is 1, 1. So as per gray code, we have to give the identifications of the outer side, that means row and column. So what does it means that 0, 0 means, as per SOP, 0, 0 means A complement, B complement. Then 0 is representing by complement. Then this one is what? A complement B. This one is what? AB. Why AB? Because both are 1, 1. This one is what? A, B complement. This one is C complement, D complement. Please concentrate here. Whenever we have 0, we are just representing this one with complement. This one is C complement D. This one is CD. This one is CD complement. This is all about the outer side identifications of these boxes. Now, according to the binary number, we have to give the identifications, inner identifications of the boxes. So like first, if I want to identify the first box, what it is? It is 0. Why it is 0? Because here A0, B0, C0, D0. This box's identification is 1, this one is 3, this one is 2, this one is 4, 5, 7, 6. Let me explain why it is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Why this is 3? This box is created by AB and the CD. In AB we have 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1 means all we know in terms of binary it is 3. Then 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. 2. Then 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. So here A0, B1, C0, D0, 4 by this way. So now what is the identification of this room? AB, A1, B1, C0, D0. That means 1, 1, 0, 0 means, if you recall the binary number system, then you can find out that 1, 1, 0, 0 means it is 12. This one we will get 13 and this one is 15. Why 15? Here A and B 1, 1, CD also 1, 1, so it is 15. And then AB, CD 1, 1, 1, 0, it is 14. This one you can identify it as 8, 9. This one you can find out 11 and this one is 10. Why it is 8? Because A1, B0, C0, D0, 1, 0, 0, 0, it is 8, then 9, this one is 11 and this one is 10. By this way we can give the identifications of the boxes. Now out of this 16 combinations or 16 boxes, only these are the positions. Let me just give an example. If in a flat, that means in a compound, if we have a flat and 16 different flats are there, so out of this 15, how we can identify the in flat any person is there or not? So if light is on, so out of this 16 positions, 0 to 15, these are the positions where it is on, or where it is, we can say where it is true. So in SOP we need to represent 0 is there, that means this room we need to identify, then 2, then 3, then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15. So see, out of the 16 boxes, only we are identified the box by one where we have this number and rest part is vacant. Because of that, we need to reduce all this term. So we are applying K-map here. So to find out the value or reduce expression from there, we need to create the group. This group creation is very important. As for this 4 variables, we'll get 3 groups. One is pair, another one is quad, another one is octet. And if anything is single, that means we are unable to create the group, then it is called singlet. Now how to create the group? Mind one thing, very important one. To create the group, always we need to follow the symmetric form. What do you mean by the symmetric form? Let me explain this one about the symmetric. That means we have to create the group. Pair means with 2 we can create the group. Quad means with 4. Octet means with 8. And singlet means it is single. How to write down the term and how to create the group? Group we have to create as per the symmetric form. What do you mean by the symmetric form? See, this is the 16 boxes are there. 16 boxes are there. Now symmetric form means if I want to create one here and another one is here. So to create a group, pair is there. So these two can create any group as per symmetric form? No, because from this line if we fold, we can find out this one is here and this one is here. So they are not in same positions. But if we have one is here, then these two can create a pair, because if we fold it from the middle, both the ones are in same positions. That means in case of pair, if you take this paper as a tools, so in case of pair, after one fold, both are in a same place, then we can consider as a symmetric form. For quad we have to fold twice, for octet we have to fold thrice. Let me explain another concept. This one, 4 corners. 4 corners is create any group? Yes, they can create. Why? Because from middle if we fold, we can find out that this one is lapping here and this one is lapping here. After that, if we fold from the middle, all one you can find out together. So they can create the group. So important thing, that first one, which is we have to create the group, but we'll create the group as per symmetric form. First important thing. Next one, we'll avoid the redundancy. What do you mean by this redundancy? We will avoid redundancy means reuse of a term. When we will do this redundancy, if we are able to create higher group or if anything is left alone. Again, I repeat these important things about the creation of the group. First one, we need to follow the 3 groups and the group must be formed according to the symmetric form. Second one, which is we need to try to avoid the redundancy. Redundancy means try to avoid the use of the term more than one times. We'll use redundancy when if we are able to create the higher group, then only we'll use one term more than one times. So first, very simple things here. Easily we can create one group from this 2, 3 and 6, 7. 2, 3 and 6, 7. One group is already created and this is a quad and this is all in symmetric form, because if you fold it from there, you can find out twice. If you fold according to the line, you can find out all 4s are in the same position. Next, what are left there? This one is left, here 2, 1 is left and here 1 is left. What I told we'll go for the redundancy. When we'll go for the redundancy? If we able to create the higher group easily without redundant, we able to create a create a pair here. Easily be able to create a pair here, but we'll go for redundant. Why? Because we able to create the higher group. Instead of pair, quad is there. Another one, no option is here. This one is only pair. This one is only pair. Again I repeat, when we'll go for redundant, if we able to create the higher group, instead of pair we'll do here quad, because quad is the higher group. This one is a pair. Another one, which one will go for redundant again if anything is left alone. You can find out this one is left alone here. So this one or this one, that means 0 or 2 also we can create a pair. We will get the redundant. Or this 0 or 8 also you can create a quad. Anyone. So how many quad here we form? 2 quad it's formed here. Please concentrate. Quad 1. Quad 1 is created by 2, 3, 6, 7. Quad 2 is created by 6, 7, 14, 15. Pair 1 is created by 8, 9. Pair 2 is created by 0 and 8. Now how to write down this term? To draw this K-map, give the proper identifications. Out of 4 marks we will get 1, and to find out the term with proper plotting we will get 3 marks out of 4, and 1 marks is allotted to draw the logic circuit diagram of this reduced expression. This is question number 4A, 5 marks. So now quad 1 is created by 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. That means these 2 row, this row and this row are participated to create this quad, and this 2 column also participate to create this group. So what is the common here? If you check, A complement is common here. So A complement. And from this part, which one is the common? D complement is different. C is same. So C is here. For this part, that means for this quad, these 2 row, this row and this row, and again these 2 columns are participated there. So what is the common term here? You can see the B is here, and for this part C is here. For this pair 1, what we have? Pair 1 is created by 8 and 9. So this only this row is participated here, and these 2 columns. In these 2 columns, what are the common term? Common term is C complement, and 1 row is participated there. So we have to write A, B complement, and the common term is C complement. And for this one, the first row, last row and first column. So from first row and last row, which one is the common term? Common term you can find out. B complement is a common term. And this one we have to write C D complement. C D complement we have to write. Suppose if any term is left alone, we are unable to create the group with this term, then it is being called singlet. And what we have to write? Suppose as an example, I want to say that if somehow 1 is there and we are unable to form the group from there, then what is the term? A complement B, C complement D you have to write, if this situation is occurred. So from quad we'll have A complement C, from quad 2 we have BC, then pair 1 and pair 2. What is the final expression? Final reduced expression is A complement C plus BC plus A B complement C complement plus B complement C complement D complement. This is the reduced expression. Think with this 9 terms, if I want to reduce it using Boolean algebra, the solution length is definitely long process. But if I implement the K-map, very easiest way we can find out this reduced expression. Again I wrap up the things. Again, I'm repeating the things. How we'll draw 16 boxes. Outer identification as per gray code, inner identification as per the binary numbers. After that, first things we need to remember that don't change the sequence of the variable a, b and c, d. Left to right we have to follow. After that, out of these 16 boxes, whatever number we have to put it accordingly. Then we have to create the group, pair, quad and octet. So while we are going to create the group, first we need to remember we have to avoid the redundancy. We'll go for redundant if we are able to create the higher group. As example, this group you can see without redundant 14, 15 able to create a pair, but we'll go higher here because this is a quad. And if anything is left alone, see this 0 portion is left alone, so that's why we are going to create one group here which is pair, which a 0 and 8. So this 0 also we can use for this 2 as well for the pair, but any one, don't go for the 2, because if you create one more term here, then that means one more group here, then more one terms is added, so will not get the appropriate the reduced expression. This is all about the K-map, introductions of K-map and SOP expression of the K-map. In next video, we'll discuss about the POS with more example. Thank you.